What was meant to be a routine airport welcome for President Emmerson Mnangagwa after his return from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, turned into a spectacle exposing deeper tensions within ZANU-PF. Saibana mashoko buda pangwani mapictures ya murukona achinzi Mnangagwa sanitizes hands soon after handshake with the General Chiwenga. Sign of mistrust ? Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Mnangagwa had attended the 39th ordinary session of the African Union Summit of Heads of State and Government, but attention quickly shifted away from the diplomatic engagement to the political undercurrents at home. Eyewitnesses claim that after shaking hands with the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, Mnangagwa immediately sanitized his hands, a gesture some interpreted as a sign of mistrust. Political analysts say this incident highlights growing unease between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga amid whispers of a 2030 succession rivalry. Meanwhile, controversy continued over businessman Wycliffe Chivayo, whose conspicuous presence at the airport overshadowed both officials. Chivayo, who holds no government position, appeared prominently among dignitaries, drawing sharp criticism over protocol breaches. ZANU-PF online activist Cleopas Mukunongwa defended Chivayo, posting on social media, ndikunzwa futi muchiti seweek now avapfeki formal dressing vachitambira mukuru wenyika. Seweek now yeosora. He further allowed Chivayo see access to the president. Mukuru wemazuva azvipama kutaura na president padzoka ku AU summit. And in another post, Mukungunugwa glorified Chivayo's influence, claiming hakuna laki rakadai uyu murume wamunoti seweek now iye pachake atori nyasha usatamba kuti everyday unosangana na president apa hausi kana minister zvako. Observers argue that these incidents reveal cracks in ZANU-PF's unity. The public display of Chivayo alongside top officials, coupled with Mnangagwa's unusual hand sanitizing gesture after meeting Chiwenga, fuels speculation about infighting, joking for influence, and tensions over the party's future leadership. Though my developments are from Zimbabwe, na comment section medu muzafungura ema tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.